With automatic processing plants, Australia's cattle industry has reduced processing time by nearly 50%. How do these innovations impact both productivity and animal welfare? Explore these breakthroughs with Trending Farm's in-depth farming documentary. Trending Farm's farming documentary begins with the automated machinery at beef processing plants in Australia. Here, cattle are selected through a rigorous selection process, with only healthy animals meeting weight and age criteria, typically between 1,200 and 1,400 pounds. Upon arrival, cattle are placed in temperature-controlled holding pens designed to minimize stress. Then automated machines are used to move the cattle through the facility, where they are first stunned using precision pneumatic devices that are 99% effective at rendering them unconscious. After stunning, the cattle are suspended on overhead conveyor systems where automated machines handle the bleeding process. Advanced skinning machines efficiently remove the skin, followed by automated organ removal. Before the meat is divided into different parts, the carcasses are thoroughly cleaned, cooled in a controlled environment, and inspected by quality control systems to detect any potential problems. These automated systems ensure precision, safety, and speed in the processing. After the initial skinning and gutting steps, the next part of this farming documentary is the division of beef into various cuts using advanced automated machines to ensure precision and efficiency. After the carcasses are inspected and cooled to approximately 34 degrees, they are transferred to cutting stations where robotic saws and knives, such as the main meat slicer and the belted meat band saw, are used. These machines are equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors and make precise cuts based on predetermined specifications. Initially, the carcass is divided into primary cuts, such as the shoulder, ribeye, and loin, using high-speed band saws. Machines such as the Formax portion control slicer then further segment these primary cuts into subcuts and retail cuts. Automated conveyors then sort and transport these cuts for packaging. This integration of technology not only improves efficiency and reduces labor costs, but also improves consistency and quality in beef products. Leave a comment below this farming documentary about the types of machinery you would like to learn more about. Aiming to reduce costs, increase productivity and quality in Australian processing plants, goat meat processing facilities also apply advanced and highly automated processing methods. Goats are processed when they weigh between 60 and 80 pounds, are disease-free and meet the health standards of the processing facility. The process begins with humane stunning using specialized electrical equipment, which is 100% effective in rendering the animals unconscious before processing. Next, the goats are hung on a conveyor system that takes them to the leg and head removal area. Here, a worker will pump air into the animal to inflate the carcass, making the process of removing the skin and hair easier. The goat's legs and heads are cleaned and processed separately. The legs are cleaned in a boiler using small, powerful jets of hot water. On the other side, the goat carcasses, after being cleaned of their fur and skin, are removed by workers and put through a water jet system for cleaning. They are then dried and cooled in the warehouse before being transferred to the division stage. Next, the goat carcasses are divided into parts such as the belly, thighs, and shoulders depending on the requirements of the order. If you are looking forward to the footage of automatic meat cutting machines, don't forget to like and share this farming documentary. Sheep processing plants in Australia have dramatically reduced processing times by at least 50% with modern machinery, significantly boosting efficiency. These plants handle approximately 10 million sheep annually, contributing around $3 billion to the economy. The journey begins with raising sheep to an ideal weight of 60 to 80 pounds before transport by specialized trucks or boats. Upon arrival at the plant, sheep's hind legs are suspended on conveyor hooks, and anesthesia ensures a safer and faster process. Industrial saws precisely cut off the front legs, while automatic rollers efficiently remove the skin and wool. Skilled workers extract internal organs and high-pressure jets clean the carcass. The lamb is then rapidly cooled before automated machines cut it into sections. Spindles, conveyor belts, and cutting machines ensure precise division, and the meat is vacuum sealed and packaged, ready for distribution. This streamlined process supports a significant part of Australia's meat production industry. Rabbit meat is popular in Australia, where people appreciate its lean, gamey taste and health benefits. Introduced in the early 19th century, rabbit meat became popular in the 1850s, and efforts to promote rabbit meat as an alternative meat increased in the 20th century through farming documentaries. At Australian processing plants, mainly in Victoria and New South Wales, rabbit processing is both efficient and highly regulated. Upon arrival, rabbits are humanely stunned and transferred to a conveyor system. The main automated rabbit processing system then guts and dehairs the rabbits within 15 minutes. High-speed cutters then divide the carcasses into parts such as loins and legs, adhering to strict Australian hygiene standards. The carcasses are cooled to 36 dec before being automatically packaged. These facilities adhere to strict HACCP food safety protocols, processing around 2 million rabbits each year, contributing around $150 million to the economy. The 40% reduction in processing time increases efficiency and supports Australia's agricultural industry. This in turn increases the supply of ingredients to restaurants famous for their rabbit-based dishes in this country. Do you have any questions about modern livestock processing machinery in Australia? Trending Farm is always looking forward to interesting comments from the audience so that we can develop better farming documentaries. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to check out our changes in upcoming videos. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. The shift from manual to automatic camel milking systems is rapidly growing in popularity due to its efficiency and benefits. Why opt for an automatic system? These machines can milk multiple camels simultaneously, boosting productivity and increasing milk yield. They are designed for optimal hygiene, reducing bacterial contamination, and operate gently to ensure camel comfort. Automatic systems also save labor and provide accurate data on milk quality and quantity, aiding in effective herd management. The main components include a milking table, suction cup, milk pipe, and control system. The process involves preparing the camel, attaching the suction cup, and letting the machine handle the rest. Benefits include improved milk quality, economic efficiency, and support for sustainable farming practices. For an in-depth look at how these systems work, check out our farming documentary on Trending Farm. Explore various types of milking machines and find the right one based on your farm's needs and budget. Camel milk is used in a variety of products, each with its own benefits: fresh camel milk for drinking or cooking, powdered milk for easy storage, probiotic camel yogurt, richly flavored camel ice cream, saltier camel cheese, camel butter for cooking, and camel condensed milk for drinks and desserts. Dubai has a notably high camel milk consumption rate compared to other countries due to its ability to provide hydration and essential nutrients in a hot climate. Camel milk is prized for its rich nutritional content, digestibility, and health benefits, and is growing in popularity due to its cultural significance and growing demand for natural products. Camelicious is one of the most popular camel milk brands in the world, especially in Middle Eastern countries. Their products are popular not only for their quality but also for their variety and convenience. You can buy Camelicious camel milk at specialty stores, high-end grocery stores, large supermarkets, online platforms, and luxury restaurants and hotels. To learn more about these products, watch our farming documentary on Trending Farm. Camels, the iconic animals of the Arabian desert, are central to Dubai's camel farms, which are not only crucial agricultural sites but also popular tourist attractions. These farms are designed to meet the demands of the harsh desert climate, featuring spacious, airy barns that protect camels from extreme temperatures and dust, ensuring their comfort and health. Large water tanks and expansive grazing areas provide essential hydration and ample space for roaming and foraging. Beyond milk production, camels are used for various purposes on these farms, including transportation, where they serve as traditional desert vehicles, and as sources of meat and wool, contributing to local cuisine and textile industries. The modern milking and processing facilities efficiently produce camel milk products such as yogurt and cheese, enhancing the farm's versatility. Visitors can explore the unique camel farming culture, enjoy fresh camel milk, ride camels, and learn about their multifaceted roles. The farms are also equipped with strong safety measures to protect both animals and guests. As a general rule in animal husbandry, nutrition and feeding practices need to be taken into account and ensured so that the animals can grow to their maximum potential and meet the objectives of each farm. Camels mainly eat hay and straw for fiber, cereals such as corn and barley for energy, and green vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals. Although they are capable of surviving for long periods without water, camels will need a steady supply of clean water, especially in hot weather. Feeding is done on a regular schedule with meals divided into smaller portions to prevent digestive problems. It is important that farmers on the farm always ensure that the feed is clean and free of toxins and provide mineral supplements to meet their nutritional needs. Regular health monitoring helps to promptly address any dietary issues. Camels have a long reproductive cycle, with a gestation period of 12 to 14 months, giving birth to a calf every 2 years. Factors such as the harsh desert climate, nutrition, and overall health all affect the reproductive process. Mother camels usually give birth alone at night or early in the morning, and the calves are born healthy with thick fur and able to stand and walk immediately. They are nursed for 1 to 2 years. Human involvement is essential to maintain the health of the mother, create a safe birthing environment, and ensure proper care of the calf. Newborn camels are very fragile and need special care to ensure they grow well. Keep them warm and provide them with enough milk in the early stages. When the calves are about 6 to 8 months old, farmers start to gradually reduce the amount of milk they receive and supplement them with solid food. This, combined with a constant supply of clean water, helps them grow well. In addition, stimulating them to exercise and giving them full vaccinations ensures the best quality of meat and milk in the future. In general, caring for a calf is a process that requires patience and meticulousness. If you want to raise camels, learn carefully about how to care for them to ensure they grow well.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. So since we don't really have any clue of what kind of difficulties that you could be facing in your farms, please don't forget to share all the problems you're facing and obstacles you're going through, as this will tremendously help us with our upcoming videos.